Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a returning stitchy, welcome back. So happy Friday. I just have a few things to show you guys real quick. Alright, so I have the new color packs to show you, and then I have a few ready to ship items to show you. So even if you're not in the market for purchasing anything, I'd still appreciate it if you stayed and watched and subscribed and gave a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below, even if it's just an emoji. But the comment you can leave below is I need yarns to review. I need you guys to tell me if you would like Red Heart Itty Bitty Stripes. Somebody had suggested Premier Color Spun and Premier, what is it called? Hipster Cotton. If you would like those, say you would like those, or you would not. I know they're older yarns. And Red Heart Itty Bitty Stripes, you know, people have reviewed them quite a bit, so there really isn't anything new out right now. So I don't know, but I could use the help. So, oh my god, my allergies. Okay, let me just get to it real quick. I only have 2 new color packs for this month because I want to keep it kind of small. The baby's going to be here at the end of the month, and so all of the sales of the color this specific color pack is going to go towards helping the kids set up the nursery and travel expenses, car rental expenses, everything like that for us to go up there. Okay, so this one is a clue to the baby's name. This one is called Desert Flower, and the colors have something to do with my sweet little baby name. I want you to think succulent, agave, you know, those are desert flowers. So this is what it is. You've got a medium tone blue, a medium tone gray, a light silver gray, a sage green, a delphinium blue, a lilac, and a sandstone color. Okay, so there's that one. And then there is also this one. This is called Firefly. It's got black, navy, a dark green teal leaning, aqua. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. This bright chartreuse green, and then this one right here in the middle is a mix of these two. Okay, so there is that one. Both of these are $150. There's 6 hanks in it. You can do fingering, DK worsted. Fingering weight has 437 yards each. DK weight has 231. And worsted weight has 189. I have 8 pre-made of the Desert Flower. I have 2 pre-made of the Firefly. I have more in there going literally right now. But those are ready to go. Everything after that will be pre-order, set to ship no later than September 1st. All of the first batch of them, the 4 or 5 color packs that I dropped last month, all shipped out a week early up to a day or 2 early. So I was very proud of myself for getting those out early. Okay, and so I can't remember. So the one for the baby name, that is a clue to the baby's name, which we will reveal at the baby shower on August 22nd. Also, anybody who is contributing to the baby registry or to items for the baby, I showed it in a video. I can't remember if I did or not. I think I did. I have it over here. I'm too lazy to get up and go get it. I'm doing a giveaway as a thank you to those who contributed towards it. I have more, so hold on. I have 2 more things to show you. I haven't decided if it's going to be 1 giveaway or 2, but there is a NELSONWOOD hook of the hook I designed, the abalone shell. This is my hook. This is not yours. Yours is a dark wood. It's Brazilian African wood. It does have the same blue tamarine rings. And then, of course, the middle part's the same. You do not have a metal tip. You have a wood tip, and it's a 5mm. And then there is a Powerball from Keith. So it's like 5 worst weight hanks in one. And then it's in Miss Bigalow, which is mostly gray, and then like a third of it, I bet you could use it for pulling, but a third of it is blue purple with a little bit of pink in it. So you'll email, it'll be the top email in the description box below. It'll say something like baby registry giveaway, something like that. I don't know. It's a helping hand something or other email. It'll be the top one. You'll just email like a screenshot of your donation or receipt of shipment, or, you know, whatever. People asked if they could do things not on the registry. Of course, if you're, you know, making something or want to do something not on there, there's a P.O. box below. So, I appreciate everybody who has helped. That's less that Andrew and I have to do. Because it is on, you know, I think I did do a video on this. It is falling on us to get the I almost said registry, the nursery set up and everything like that. And anyway, so it's whatever you guys are so lovingly doing is less that we have to do, and is helping to ensure that we actually get to travel there to meet the baby. So okay, anyway, all of that aside, the other thing I have 5 of these. This is a Mosaic Pack that I did last year, and I never really pushed it that hard. I still have 5 of them. You get 2 worsted weight hanks in the color Melifina's Magic, and then you get 1 fingering weight hank in gray. That is enough to make just about any large mosaic bag pattern. The one I suggest is Yarn and the one from Yarn and Chai here on YouTube, their bucket bag. I've made it several times. This is enough yardage for that. Super cute. So you'll do like this, and then the gray will go over it for the mosaic. These were normally 60, but I need to get these gone, so I'm saying 40. And I will cover shipping. So yeah. That is a steal of a deal. So I have 5 of those. Okay, and then I only have 2 of these. These are from last month. Nobody purchased these. This is in fingering weight. There is a purple, a navy, a dark teal, a medium teal, a light teal. And that dark teal has a little bit of navy splashed through it. I don't remember what we called this. What did we call these? Oh, just call it Peacock so I know what you're talking about. I don't remember what we called it. I only have 2. 437 yards of a fingering weight per hank. It's $125. So, on the Mosaic packs and on the 2 Peacock packs, you need to email me first at fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com. It'll be in the description box below to ensure that I have it available. As far as the desert flower and the Firefly, I have, you know, many. So you just order it like you would order the subscription boxes. You just send in your payment, the weight that you want, your address. The subscription boxes have released. That is a video on my channel previous to this one, so please go check that out. Let's see, what else is there? Yeah, baby shower is August 22nd. And then, I don't know, I think that's it. I wasn't able to go live yesterday, so I'm going to try to go live this weekend. It would not work for me for anything. I don't know what was going on. It didn't matter what device I tried it on. Our internet was fine. We have amazing internet, and we checked it and it was great. It was fine. It was YouTube. It would not go live. Other people we're live, but it wouldn't let me go live. I don't know what was going on. It was weird. Anywho, so I think that's it. I have some like one-off hanks, but I'm not gonna do that here. I'm saving those back to give away. I'm gonna do a giveaway of hand-dyed yarn for those who can't afford to buy any, and I haven't figured out the way I'm doing it yet, but I'm gonna do that soon. So there's that. I guess that's it, guys. I can't think of anything else. I'm tired. My brain is not running on all cylinders right now, so I'm gonna let you go. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay weird, and we have a bark box thing coming up. We'll do that tomorrow probably, or Sunday. Andrew went ham on the add-ons. We have 2 boxes and a bag, so the puppies will be happy. That's all that matters. But oh my gosh, he went nuts. Anyway, I mean, it was sweet. He went nuts for the doggies and for me because it was all rainbow stuff. So yeah. Alright, I love you guys. I will talk to you guys later. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know. I don't remember. Much love to you all. I will see you soon. Toodles.